Sawadee krap, it's Avani Micah. Welcome to the all-new episode of The Boxing King in 2020, and this will be the first episode in 2020. Talking about the first, today I'm gonna have my first unboxing of a tablet, Huawei MediaPad M6. So before we go into it, let's cue to the intro. Welcome back, and now let's unbox MediaPad M6. Ooh. So first we saw this is the MediaPad M6, and let's check out what's inside the box. So inside the box they have the SIM pin 2 and the menus, and next it will be the charging adapter, and probably that's all in the box. As usual, box courtesy. Now let's check out the MediaPad. Unwrap it and turn it on. While turning it on, then check out the tech specs. This MediaPad M6 comes with a Kirin 980 chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space. And if you're not satisfied with the storage space, you still can add up to 256GB of external storage with the dual SIM slot. And what's best on it is it comes with Android 10 with the MUI 10 on it. So now let's talk about the design of the MediaPad. The MediaPad M6 has a unibody metal finish, which is a matte feel on it, and on the front it has a 2K IPS LCD display, which is 18.3% screen to body ratio. And on the side it has a home button which acts as the fingerprint scanner as well. So on the right side it has the volume rocker, the power button, the USB-C port, the dual SIM slot, and also a headphone jack. And on the top you can see the 4 microphones and 2 out of 4 speakers, and the last 2 which is placed below the pad, and a magnetic connector to connect to your external keyboard. Speaking about speakers, the 4 speakers on the MediaPad M6 are tuned by Harman Kardon, which gives you the perfect sound quality. So now let's check out the sound quality. So is the sound quality good or bad? Leave a comment below and let me know. So talking about tablet, a tablet is used to replace my everyday work laptop because it's convenient and easy to bring out. So by treating it as a everyday laptop replacement, the thing that I'm looking for is the battery life, and this MediaPad M6 comes with a huge 7500 mAh battery, which can last for with your everyday use. And as for the camera, it comes with a 13 megapixel on the rear and also an 8 megapixel selfie camera. So let's bring it out and test out the picture quality. So after looking at the picture quality, now I'll tell you my favorite part of the MediaPad M6, which is the external magnetic keyboard to it. And also with the desktop mode on, you can treat this MediaPad as your everyday use laptop and easily, conveniently type your documents with the external keyboard. And this will be my favorite pen to use while using this MediaPad M6, because with this pen I can scribble around on my notes and also my pictures, because I used to edit my pictures and also I need to jot down notes as fast as possible while having my meetings and everything. So this pen gives me the convenience to scribble down and jot down all the notes that I wanted to. And for those papa mama out there, parents out there who are planning to buy a tablet for your kids, this Media M6 pad is really specially made for your kids because it comes with a Kids Corner app. This Kids Corner app can let you customize accessibility, your display setting, brightness setting, and also even can detect your distance with the screen so that it can alert your kids stay a distance and not to go too near towards the screen that will hurt their eyes. So with the Kids Corner app, you can be very carefree by allowing your kids to use it. So lastly, the price. The MediaPad M6 is priced at 1,899 ringgit and bundled with 2 gifts now. So overall, I feel like this MediaPad is really useful and convenient if you are thinking about finding a small, light tablet which can serve as a laptop and your everyday working use, and also can give it to your kids for their learning, for their casual play, because it has the Kids Corner to keep your kids safe from their viewing distance and also keeps your kids out of other apps that they are not supposed to access to it. So I think that's all for today for the MediaPad M6 Unboxer J. See you next time.